Hello my friends! Welcome to my channel. Today I draw a very delicious and beautiful cake. Come on guys, together draw and watch until the end please. Green color.
The bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. The hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6.
Red color.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Brown color.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the
Orange color.
The